alaikum, respected teachers and my dear friends. I would like to speak about Mahatma Gandhi ji. Bapuji was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His father name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother name was Putli Bai. Wife was Kasturba Gandhi. He got qualified as a lawyer in England. He launched the Satyagraha movement against Britishers and started another movement called Quiet India movement was started by him in which force is produced to leave our country. He worked for social issues of caste and gender. Bapuji was killed on 1948 by Nathuram Godse. Thank you.